Welcome to our channel Tech Curry. In this video we will learn how to install and set up Arduino Ide in our Windows machine. Let's get started. In this tutorial we will learn how to install and set up Arduino Ide on Windows operating system. We will also run our first sketch to verify that our IDE is successfully set up or not. Let's download it from official Arduino website. There are multiple download options available. We will choose the first one. Now we will wait for download to be completed. Download is completed. Now we will run the program. Installation is quite easy. Just follow the steps shown in this video. It may take a while, so wait for the installation to be completed. You can subscribe our channel in between, if not done already. Make sure you don't miss any pop-up and agree to install all services/ports when prompted during installation. The setup is completed now and we can run the program from our desktop now. Grant the network permission for this application in your Windows/antivirus firewall when prompted. Now you will see a blank sketch. We can now connect our Arduino Uno to our machine using USB cable came along with Arduino. A new COM port will install in your machine for communicating with Arduino Uno when you plug in the Arduino in your machine's USB port using the cable provided. You can verify whether port for Arduino Uno has installed or not in your machine's device manager. Device manager can be opened by pressing Windows plus X keys and clicking device manager option. You can see that there is a COM3 port assigned for your Arduino Uno. We will select the same in our IDE now. In Tools menu you will find that board Arduino Uno is selected by default. Now you need to select COM3 in port option. The port selected in Arduino IDE must be same as shown in Device Manager, otherwise your IDE will not be able to communicate with your board. Now you can open and run example sketches already available with Arduino IDE. Here I opened Blink Sketch. This example shows the simplest thing you can do with an Arduino to see physical output. It blinks the onboard LED. Now I click the upload button to flash the program in Arduino Uno. You can see in the extreme left of the progress bar that sketch will compile first and then it will be uploaded to Arduino board. After the upload is done, you can see that built-in LED in Arduino board will blink for 1 second repeatedly. If the built-in LED in your Arduino board blinks as shown in video, then you can be assured that Arduino IDE is successfully installed and configured to communicate with your Arduino board. Good job! Happy coding!